15 Powerful Benefits of Eating Pumpkin Seeds. Pumpkin seeds are often seen as just a seasonal snack or something to toss aside. But the truth is, they're one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can include in your diet. Backed by research, pumpkin seeds provide real benefits for heart health, hormone balance, immune function, sleep quality, and more. In this video, we'll break down 15 specific health benefits of pumpkin seeds, explaining how they work in the body and why they're worth adding to your daily routine. 1. Rich in nutrients. Pumpkin seeds are an excellent source of several essential nutrients. A 28-gram, 1-ounce, serving provides about 7 grams of protein, 13 grams of healthy fats, and 1.7 grams of fiber. They also contain important minerals like magnesium, iron, zinc, copper, phosphorus, and manganese. These nutrients support metabolic function, immune response, red blood cell production, and bone health. 2. Heart health support. The magnesium, antioxidants, and healthy fats in pumpkin seeds support cardiovascular health. Magnesium helps regulate blood pressure and maintains a steady heart rhythm. Antioxidants like vitamin E and phenolic compounds reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, which are linked to heart disease. Additionally, the seeds contain monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which can help manage cholesterol levels when used in place of saturated fats. 3. Supports prostate health. Pumpkin seeds have been studied for their effects on prostate function, particularly in men with benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. Research suggests that compounds in pumpkin seed oil, such as phytosterols, may help reduce symptoms like frequent urination or nighttime urgency. Zinc also plays a key role in prostate health, and pumpkin seeds are one of the best plant-based sources of zinc. Number 4. It strengthens the immune system. Zinc, iron, and antioxidants in pumpkin seeds contribute to immune function. Zinc is involved in the development and activation of certain immune cells, while iron supports the growth and function of immune cells. The antioxidants in pumpkin seeds help neutralize free radicals and reduce chronic inflammation, which supports a more balanced immune response. 5. Improves sleep quality. Pumpkin seeds contain tryptophan, an amino acid that serves as a precursor to serotonin and melatonin, two key regulators of mood and sleep cycles. The body converts tryptophan into serotonin, which then helps produce melatonin. Magnesium also plays a role in supporting deep, restorative sleep by calming the nervous system and regulating neurotransmitters involved in sleep patterns. 6. Helps regulate blood sugar. Pumpkin seeds may help manage blood sugar levels due to their high magnesium and fiber content. Magnesium is essential for insulin secretion and glucose metabolism. Several studies have found that higher magnesium intake is associated with a lower risk of type 2 diabetes. The protein and fiber in pumpkin seeds also help slow carbohydrate digestion, which can lead to more stable post-meal blood sugar levels. 7. Promotes healthy skin. Zinc, vitamin E, and essential fatty acids in pumpkin seeds support skin health. Zinc plays a key role in skin repair, collagen production, and protection against UV damage. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant that protects skin cells from oxidative stress. The fatty acids help maintain the skin's moisture barrier and elasticity, contributing to a healthier overall complexion. 8. Supports hair growth. Hair follicles require adequate zinc, iron, and protein to grow properly, all of which are present in pumpkin seeds. Zinc deficiency has been linked to hair thinning and slow hair growth. Iron is essential for oxygen delivery to the scalp, which supports follicle function. The seeds also contain antioxidants and healthy fats that can reduce scalp inflammation and protect hair follicles from oxidative damage. 9. Anti-inflammatory effects. Pumpkin seeds are rich in anti-inflammatory compounds including phenolic antioxidants, vitamin E, and omega-6 fatty acids. These compounds help reduce inflammation by inhibiting pro-inflammatory enzymes and cytokines in the body. Chronic inflammation is a factor in many diseases, including arthritis, heart disease, and certain cancers, so foods with anti-inflammatory properties play a protective role over time. 10. Supports gut health. Pumpkin seeds, especially when eaten with the shell, provide dietary fiber that supports digestive health. Fiber increases stool bulk and promotes regular bowel movements. It also feeds beneficial gut bacteria, which are essential for digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune defense. A healthy gut microbiome is increasingly recognized as a foundation for overall health. 11. High in plant-based protein. Pumpkin seeds provide a complete protein source, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids the body cannot produce on its own. This is rare among plant foods. With about 7 grams of protein per ounce, they are a valuable protein source for vegetarians, vegans, and anyone looking to reduce their reliance on animal-based protein. 12. Supports hormone balance. Pumpkin seeds contain phytoestrogens, which are plant compounds that have a mild estrogen-like effect in the body. These may help balance hormones, especially in women experiencing perimenopause or menopause. Zinc and magnesium also support healthy hormone production and function, including those involved in the reproductive and adrenal systems. 13. Boosts energy. Iron and magnesium in pumpkin seeds are critical for energy production. Iron is needed to produce hemoglobin, which carries oxygen to cells. Magnesium is involved in ATP synthesis, the body's primary energy currency. The seeds also contain B vitamins, protein, and healthy fats, all of which contribute to sustained energy without blood sugar crashes. 14. Strengthens bones. Magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc are essential for bone structure and density. Magnesium supports calcium absorption and the formation of bone tissue. Phosphorus makes up a large portion of bone mineral content. Zinc is involved in bone regeneration and mineralization. Including pumpkin seeds in your diet can help maintain skeletal strength, especially with age. 15. May support weight management. Pumpkin seeds are high in protein and fiber, both of which promote satiety. Eating foods that make you feel full can reduce unnecessary snacking and overall calorie intake. Additionally, their nutrient density means you're getting a lot of vitamins and minerals in relatively few calories, making them a good choice for those aiming to maintain or reduce weight in a balanced way. In conclusion, pumpkin seeds aren't a magic cure, but their nutrient profile makes them a solid, evidence-based addition to a healthy diet. Whether you're looking to support heart health, improve sleep, or get more plant-based protein, they offer real benefits backed by science. If you found this information useful, consider subscribing for more health content like this. And if you already include pumpkin seeds in your diet, let us know how you use them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.